Okay, so now that we've created an example with inheritance. Let's go ahead and do an example with protocol oriented programming. So let's create a protocol car. Right? Every car has model, and a price. Let's do this as well. Each have a getter and a setter. Which means, in a nutshell, you can never make this a constant. That's the short skinny. It's a longer answer, but this can never be a constant. By the way, you can use protocols for classes, but you have to say protocol colon any objects. This is how you use a protocol with classes, but we aren't doing that right now. Structs. Structs. BMW. But now let's go ahead and implement the car. And what happens? It says it wants to add the stubs. So now there's a model and a price property. And I'm going to say, I have my own, right? Is EV version. Is this the EV version? Okay, so yeah. So now you have a BMW that conforms to what a car is, car protocol. And go ahead, let's Beamer equal BMW. There it is model I-10 and the price, I'm just going to say, is 105K. And there we go. And you better believe that this Beamer object has everything that we need. Okay. So again, the real thing, remember how I showed you the example of the class where if you change the value of another class or another object that's set, the new object, well, then both objects get changed because they're both referencing the same point in memory. That can become a problem in large enterprise level apps and difficult to debug. And that's why protocol oriented programming, that's one of the reasons why protocol oriented programming is becoming more popular. It kind of solves that problem. I said kind of. Go and look at some of my other videos. I talk about um, references, closures, capture lists, and how structs can have strong references as well. But I'm not going to get into that here. I just, if you need to look over this, look over it again. and I'm on to the next.